Hey YouTube, Rob, One Strange Journey. And today we're going to see if you can fit a chest freezer inside an RV. I picked out the biggest one on Amazon I thought could possibly fit, and let me explain why. So Jen was at Walmart and she came upon an 18-pound brisket, and I'm like, damn, that sounds really good. Where are we going to put? And I thought for a minute we'll probably be able to fit it in there. Well, turns out now our freezers are completely maxed out. So I just got tired of never being able to buy big chunks of meat for discount. So I hopped on the old Amazon and ordered up the biggest one I thought could fit in the RV. Because here's the issue we have. Like, we got a decent sized freezer. We got these two freezers here. But this is the way they literally always look. We're always completely full. And, you know, like Maddie will sometimes want a pizza or something. There's just no room. So anyways, I was thinking, maybe we can fit a chest freezer right in this area somewhere, you know? I kind of did some rough measurements and I thought, well, we're always so limited on counter space too. A chest freezer right here would be pretty sweet. The only issue is, like, if you're sitting right here on the couch, I want to be able to see TV still. So hopefully it doesn't block the view of the TV from over here. What are you doing, cat? Stop scratching my couch. Anyways, I think it'll fit just fine. They only use like 60 watts, 50 watts of electricity or something. I went on Amazon and picked out the best one I could find. I think it's made by like Arctic King or something like that. And it was under $200. It came today and I'm hoping it fits through the door and that we can get her over here and set up. Let's give it a shot and see what happens, huh? One other thing I wanted to mention is part of the reason why I was worried about having more freezer space and being able to buy these big chunks of meat is because me and Jen started the carnivore diet. It's basically where you're supposed to eat all red meat. No more fruits or vegetables and all that drama. Kind of like what people used to eat back in the Stone Age days, back in the, like, humans are meant to eat red meat. We weren't meant to be plant eaters or whatnot. There's a whole bunch of information on the internet about it. You lose weight. I mean, I did the Atkins a long time ago, similar, and I lost a lot of weight. But on these diets, you lose weight and it's supposedly a lot healthier because your body just gets used to digesting one food. I'm about 2 weeks in, I'm down about 6 pounds, so it's working. Anyways, a lot of people that have had cancer did it. The cancer went way down. A lot of people that have had all sorts of health problems have done it, and it's really helped them out. So I thought, what the heck, let's give it a shot for a month and see what happens. Anyway. So that's where we're at now. Here she is. Look at this baby. Huh? Hope it fits. 5 cubic foot. Yeah, Arctic King. Black. So I'm going to take this cover off and let's see what we got. With the way the economy is these days, an all meat diet can get very pricey. That's why I want to be able to buy the bigger chunks of meat. Oh, it's taking all my strength. Oh, fuck. Oh, seriously? Jesus. All right, freaking awning was in the way. Let's try her again. Oh, wow, static electricity. Oh, jeez, is it ever gonna end? What the heck? Hopefully it's not all dented or nothing. Front looks good. All right, so far not dented. Man, did you hear that? I just got shocked again. And again, is it plugged in? My goodness. Okay, rated power 120 watts. A little more than I thought, but it'll be okay. All right, not terrible, not terrible. Ugh. Okay. I think we're looking pretty good to get it in. I'll move Jen's little decorations out of the way. Okay, dogs, clear me away. Don't make this any harder than it has to be. I'd say fit in pretty perfect, huh? Let's see how she matches up with the counter over here. All right. Vroom, vroom. See, the one bummer we're gonna have is right here is one of the heater vents. Which all the vents are closed on it. I took the screws out of it a long time ago so we could real easy clean up the cat hair and dog hair that falls down there. Anyways, see how she fits. That's not terrible. Here's kind of my idea. You see how we kind of, it extends on to add a little bit of counter space almost. You know? Uh-oh. I'm out of breath. The one thing I did wonder, will it mess with my viewing pleasures on the TV? Even though I don't sit in this chair, this is the ones for the wing nuts. All right, so head level. No, I can see the TV. It's a little annoying. Like I said, I sit over there anyways. I'm not real worried about it. But you can see the TV just fine. And technically, the TV, the mount is too low. Like, I have been avoiding setting that TV and the wires up since we got this RV the correct way. They were just like put on there by the RV dealership real kind of cheaply. So that TV is actually going to go all the way up to cover up all those DVDs up there when I mount it the right way. Anyways, let's look inside this freezer. See what we got here. First time opening it, huh? All right, so you got a little rack right here. Probably put like Maddie's ice creams or something. That's pretty deep. Like this is me. Ugh. You can see if I'm reaching down here, it's taking like, it's an entire arm's length. To put my hand flat, it's really hard to put my hand flat from my body all the way down. I don't know how else to give you scale. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna plug it in and we'll see how long it takes to get cold. Hopefully it gets cold. God, I don't want to take it out of here. Let's not even put that out in the universe. Forget about that. Here we go. I'll plug her in. Where's the plug on this thing? At least we didn't break it. Okay. Nice thing is I do have a plug right here. I hear noise. I got the mic here about, okay, I'm holding the mic about this far away. See if you guys can hear it. Very slight buzz. Let's see if I'm way over here, sitting on the couch. I can hear it just a little bit. It's got that fridge sound. It's not an awkward, like it's not an annoying sound. I have very sensitive ears. Cannot take high-pitched noises. It drives me nuts. That's old nurse. We ain't talking about that right now. Anyways, I think from my spot over there, I probably won't hear nothing. Let's see. Got the mic right on me, so what you hear, I hear. Let's listen. No, not bad at all. I mean, it does kind of intrude on our free space here a little bit, but let's see what happens. I'm gonna clean the house up. Jen's probably gonna be mad that I let Maddie's bed be so dirty on tape, so if you give me a like, I appreciate it, because I'm gonna get yelled at over this. I want to take you guys along, just in case you thought about getting your own extended freezer too for your RV. And it does take up a little bit of space. I think it's tolerable. All right, let's take a look here real quick. It's been 1 hour. I picked Maddie up from school right when I finished recording. That was at 3:30, now it's 4:30. So you hush up. Let's take a look, see how much it's cooled down. Oh, okay. All right, look at that. 17 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Fahrenheit. Bottom is 22, 32. That's weird. It's coldest up top. Let me double check all the way at the bottom. Yep, bottom's cooling down the slowest. So up top is definitely the coldest so far. But heck, 18 degrees. Cooling down to about 18, 20 degrees in 1 hour. That's awesome. Give me time to load this thing up and see what we can put in here. I'm just glad it works. I didn't want to take it back out. So anyways, and we got a little bit extra counter space. It does kind of come out into the living room just a tad bit. So that part's kind of a bummer, but I think we'll get over it. I think we'll be able to deal. What? She wants her dinner. All right, I'm gonna go feed the cat. I'll report back. All right, so it's been a couple days now. and it has done a good job. No issues. It stayed cool. We wanted to make sure it stayed cool before we went and packed it, so it stayed cool. It's done great. No issues at all. So now I kind of wanted to give you an idea what we could fit in it. So basically what I want to fit in there most is all of my steaks. So here's some, I'll lay everything out up here and I'll go through what's going to go in there. I'll count it up at the end and tell you what's going on. So let me put everything up here first. All right, so here's what I think I'm gonna start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 briskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tri-tips, carne asada pork. We got about 6 sirloin steaks, and I got 5 pounds of brisket fat, a couple pot roasts. This is another brisket. So we got like 6 briskets. Let's load them all in there. Let's start putting them all in there. Let's see how everything fits, okay? All right, as you see, it is empty right now. But let's see if we can change that. So I got a box of 20-pound boy, I hope I don't got too much stuff for it. Maybe I overestimated. I got 20 pounds of chicken cutlets. And you know, this is the great thing about being able to buy in bulk. 20 pounds, as you can see right here. And this was 40 bucks a box. Right here, $40 a box, manager special. So that's $2 a pound for chicken cutlets. These things are minimum of $4 to $6 a pound. So, all right, you can see there's where we're at, 20 pounds. Starting to make a little bit of a dent, people. Another nice thing, when you get them on sale and you can buy them in bulk, chicken drumsticks. I make the dog food out of this, 99 cents a pound. How much do your cans of dog food cost, you know? So we'll set all that. I got, what, 5 of these guys? 99 cents a pound. Everything I'm putting in here, all the steak, all tri-tip, most of it's $4 a pound. Nothing I paid over $5 a pound for. 4 bacons, again on sale, $5 a piece. So $5 for 1 pound, 4 ounce of thick cut bacon. Not bad at all, huh? We'll put that up top. Okay, let's start putting the red meat in there. Brisket, was that about 6 briskets? And this is 5 pounds of brisket fat. This would be great for making some burgers. Let me tell you, that'll be gold. All right, here's where we're at after all that, people. Huh? I mean, I would say we've used about maybe 60% of the space. Do we got anything left? This guy here, I still want to vacuum seal, so I'm just going to put him in up top for now. I don't like the store bags they put those in because they're so thin. There's nothing worse than getting a hole popped in it, and you get the dreaded freezer burn. These kind of things can definitely come over because it's going to be a while before we ever eat these. I've got some shrimp in here. I think I'm gonna bring it over. I mean, I've almost emptied out our normal freezer. Plus, we just went shopping and bought a bunch of stuff today. So my whole purpose was just to kind of give you an idea how much can fit in. This is a 5 cubic foot chest freezer. So you've seen all that meat, and I still got a good amount of room left here. I'd say it's 70% full at this point. I mean, we put 20 pounds of chicken alone in at the bottom. I would say we probably got about 50 pounds of meat in here. So, all right. That's awesome. That's exactly what I wanted. I wanted to not have to pass up the sales no more and be able to buy in bulk. And now we've freed up. That's virtually empty. That's got some room to spare. So far, it's only been a couple days, but I will say 0 issues with the freezer. It's quiet. Don't ever hear it make a sound. And we got plenty of room left in it. It got cold very quickly and it stayed cold. So we are having a little bit of a disagreement, me and Jen. I like it right here, easy to get to in the kitchen. She might want it over there in that mess. The problem is, you can see the problem. That's Luna's spot over there. So I'm not gonna make Luna move. I'm just gonna have Jen get used to this for now. We'll see what happens in the future. Appreciate you watching. If you have any questions about the freezer, drop me a comment and I'll definitely answer. If you could leave me a like, I would really appreciate it. Maybe even subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.